Hey, I'm Chris with AffordableMedicalUSA.com. This is the new Buzzaround GB124. This actually has spring shock suspensions. They also make it in a 3-wheel version, and they also make these without spring shock suspensions. But now, usually you had to buy it red or blue. We have some new colors, so I'm going to show you how to change the shrouds. I'm going to show you this purple color first. We're going to put a purple. We're going to change this from red to purple. We don't have a purple one in here, so might as well pick this color. There's also white, tan, green, army green with matte finish, coastal blue, and a few other colors out there. Yellow, pink. So first is first, I would just remove this key and you're just going to pull this right up. It's very simple. If you want to get like a little, it's just like Velcroed, and then there's a little bit of a latch there. So take the shroud off. You're going to add this. So if you have one of these scooters and you want to just change up the color, you can change these to different events. If it can be like Valentine's Day, it can be St. Patty's Day, it can be whatever it is. You can buy these shrouds and easily change these out, and your scooter looks completely different. It's like a brand new paint job, but a lot cheaper. And when you buy the shroud kits, it matters if you have a blue or if you have a 3-wheel or 4-wheel, as long as it's a new Buzzaround GB121 or GB124, these will come with the 4-wheel configuration or the 3-wheel configuration. And I'm just coming down here. You can put your finger under here and you'll fill a little hole. And so just do that. Knock it right out. You can see how I was putting my finger underneath here and I'm just pushing it out. And then see these little clips come straight down. Add that right there. We're going to come back and put the back on. And again, if you had a 3-wheel, you would just use this one. Come to the back, you're going to see a little bit of an indentation in it. So if you're sitting on the scooter, it's going to be your right shroud. So come here, push that out. Add this right in. And then we'll do the same thing over here. Push it out with your finger, just slightly. Check that out, purple. We're featuring the XLS with the 1212 batteries in it. You can't get the upgrade batteries. This will come with a cell phone holder, bottle holder, accessory port for the back, spring shock suspensions, completely disassembled, swivel seat, very comfortable seat. Check us out at AffordableMedicalUSA.com. Put in the search bar shrouds. If you want to buy this scooter, check out GB121 or GB124. Thank you so much.